Do you know what it does?
No. What does that button do?
Look super close. Does it have words on it?
Pest.
No, it doesn't.
It says pest.
No, it doesn't.
P-E-S-E-T.
No, it says reset. And it also says test monthly. See instructions. So this is called a GFCI outlet, or ground fault circuit interrupter. And we have that type of outlet anywhere near wet areas. And you're supposed to hit the test button monthly. Do you think people actually test the outlet monthly?
No.
No. No, most people don't. But the instructions for those outlets say test it monthly, because if something is plugged in and you drop that thing in the water, we want the electricity to turn off. And then when you take care of the problem, you hit what button? The reset button in the middle. And that allows you to get power back to the outlet after the water problem is taken care of. Does that make sense? And so that protects you from what?
Catching your house on fire.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. Good job, Isaiah. Thumbs up.